Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Came Learning English. Today I have the exercise for you to practice about past simple tense. បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះវិលត្រឡប់មកជួបជាមួយនឹង Channel Came Learning ភាសាជាថ្មីដោយមានលំហាត់សម្រាប់អនុវត្តសម្រាប់បងប្អូនគឺស្ដីអំពី past simple ដែលបងប្អូនបានរៀនកាលពីវីដេអូមុនរួចហើយមែនទេអូខេអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវកុំឲ្យខាតពេលវេលាយើងមើល introduction ការណែនាំបាទហើយនឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមធ្វើតែម្ដងណា Okay, fill in the sentences with the correct form past simple of the appropriate verb. Okay, ចូលបំពេញប្រយោគទាំងអស់នេះជាមួយនឹងបាទទម្រង់អតីតកាលឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវនៃក្រិយាសព្ទឲ្យបានសមរម្យបាទអញ្ចឹងចំពោះក្រិយាសព្ទដែលគេផ្ដល់ឲ្យមានដូចជា sleep, sell, swim, try, play, drop, cut, lie, skip, study, hang, go, run, give, change បាទអញ្ចឹងចំពោះក្រិយាសព្ទទាំងអស់នេះគឺមានចំនួន15ដោយសារប្រយោគទាំងអស់នេះគឺមាន15ដូចគ្នាណាបាទអញ្ចឹងចំពោះក្រិយាសព្ទដែលខ្ញុំបាន highlight ដូចជា skip បាទខ្ញុំបាន highlight ពណ៌ខំហ្នឹងមានន័យថាគេប្រើហើយគឺនៅក្នុង example ទី1ណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងនឹងសល់14ទៀតគឺអត់មានជាន់គ្នាទេចំពោះក្រិយាសព្ទហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលក្រិយាសព្ទហ្នឹងឲ្យចាំបន្ទាប់មកគឺយើងត្រូវជ្រើសរើសថាតើត្រូវប្រើជាមួយនឹងប្រយោគមួយណាចំពោះក្រិយាសព្ទនីមួយៗណា Okay, so now let's start. Yeah, number one, Daisy skipped the rope in the garden. Okay, just skip that way. Number two, Anna on her homework. So which verb, everyone? You have to use with sleep, right? Okay, sleep. So I mean slept. Okay, so Annie slept on her homework. So while she was doing her homework, then she fell asleep. Right, and number three, the young lady on the beach. Yeah, so which verb, everyone? The young lady lie, right? You mean lie in here, right? So lie to lay on the beach. And number four, Mary the litter into the recycle bin. Okay, so number four, go with drop, right? Yeah, drop. So in the past, yeah, dropped. Yeah, double P. And number five, Tom lemonade. Right. Tom lemonade. So which one, everyone? Go with sell, right? Okay, sell to soul, right? Soul lemonade. And number six, Joe the paper into smaller pieces. So go with cut, right? Okay, so completed cut. Number seven, the family on holiday on Monday. So on holiday, so which verb they go with it? Yeah, go with on holiday, everyone. Yeah, go with go, right? Go. Okay, so you have to complete when in the past tense. And number eight, the bus driver, the bus to the station, right? Bus driver, yeah. Bus driver, go with try in here, right? Try. So the verb throw, okay, in the past tense. And number nine, Robert bird house on the tree. So yeah, go with a bird. Sorry, which word they go with a birdhouse? Yeah, go with everyone. Go with hang, right? Okay, so hang to hang, right? And number 10, Paul and James presents to each other. So number 10, yeah, go with give, right? In here, give. So you have to complete in past tense. Go. Okay. Number 11, driver. Yeah, the wheel of the lorry. Okay. So the wheel of the lorry. Which verb? Yeah, you have to use with change right in here. Okay. So change the past tense, everyone. Okay. Ed. Oh, but it has only it has already E, but you have to add only D, right? Okay, number 12. Jasmine the piano. Yeah, so which verb? Go with play in here, right? So play in the past tense, ed, right? And number 13. Hannah for the test at home, right? Number 13. Yeah, go with, yeah, what's it? Study, right? Go with study. So study for the test at home. And number 14. Layla in the sea. Yeah, so Layla, yeah, which verb go with in the sea? Everyone means swim, right? Okay, so you have to complete swam in the past tense. And the last one, yeah, Kelly home, right? So it's also the last vocabulary too. Yeah, it has only one, run, in here. Okay, so go to rain, yeah, in the past tense. Yeah, Miliki rain home. Okay, yeah. And that's all for exercise, everyone, from number 1 to number 15. Okay, that's all. Yeah, thank you for watching. Okay, goodbye. See you the next video.